Hello friends, this is Sanjay Verma, spoken English trainer. Once again, welcome you at our series How to Speak English Fluently. From my previous video, I have got a lot of comments. Many of the viewers are there who are trying a lot. They are sending sentences to me. They are getting their queries also clarified. So means keep on commenting on it, keep on watching my videos, and subscribe also my channel for more videos of such kind. So today I am going to start with a new topic for spoken English. That is how to express about past actions. Past means भूतकाल, बीता हुआ समय. बीते हुए समय को हम किस तरह से एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं? बीते हुए समय की जो एक्शंस होती हैं, एक्टिविटीज रही हैं हमारी, उनको हम कैसे एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं, वो आज मैं आपको इस वीडियो में सिखाऊंगा. These are the very simple things. You know, in our daily conversation, we have to talk a lot about our past actions. What happened yesterday, day before yesterday, last week, last month, last year. Means lot of things are there which have been done in past. Now, how to express them? How to tell about them? I'm going to start with a very simple sentences from yesterday. Yesterday, I went to market. Yesterday, I went to market. Went means second form. One more thing you have to keep in mind while expressing past events, you have to always use second form of verb. And second form of verb because it is showing the past events. So, I went to market yesterday. I met an old friend there. I purchased a new shirt. I came back home at 9 o'clock. What does it mean? That is, all the things happened yesterday. ये चीजें कल घटित हुई, तो we have expressed them in second form of verb. Similarly, if I am talking about, suppose कल हम सिनेमा में कोई मूवी देखने गए हैं, how to express? Yesterday we drove to cinema by bus. We drove to cinema by our bike. We watched a movie. We had a dinner in a restaurant. We came back home at late evening. Here the same thing. Now coming to the next level. That is, yesterday, if you are talking about 2-3 days before, last Monday, Sunday, last year, last week, last month, then how to express? Last Sunday I visited Jaipur. I went to Jaipur. There I observed a school. There I attended a meeting. I also enjoyed the Hawa Mahal. I visited the Hawa Mahal. This way, you can express about your past actions. If you are talking about, means 10 years before, 20 years before, पुरानी बातें, उससे भी ज़्यादा पुरानी बातें हमें express करनी होती, the same way we have to express. In 2006, I completed my graduation. I joined a new job 3 years back. I attended a seminar 5 years back. In 2005, I secured second position in college. In 2005, I secured 90% marks in my exam, in my 12th class exam. So this way means you can express about the past events, past actions. So means first we have learned how to express when it's a matter of yesterday, last week, last year, last month. Then after, if any particular date means 2006, 5 or 10 years back. So we have seen that how to express about the various kind of actions, various kind of events expressed in past tense. Now, the next level I am going to take you to an event. Suppose we have to express something about an event and somebody is asking you to express about your event. Somebody will ask you that just explain something about the annual day celebration which was held in your school, college 2 years back, 1 year back. Somebody would ask you the sports meet which recently, or somebody will ask you, tell me something about the match which was played between India and Pakistan just 2 months back. Again, it's a matter of past. Somebody can ask you, recently you visited your cousin's marriage. So means, can you tell me something about your cousin's marriage? It's a matter of again past. Somebody will ask you, recently you visited Agra. with your college mates for a tour, how to express about it. So all these things also can be series to series, means consequence to consequence we have to express in the past tenses. I am taking an example of, suppose you have to express something about a tour of your college. Suppose you went to Agra for a tour, college tour. How to express any of the day you spent in Agra. So how to express? So now you see that Agra you went with your friends, with your classmates. It was a college tour. So mean how to express it. बड़े सिंपल से तरीके से, बड़े सिंपल से सेंटेंसेस बना के हम इसको एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं. Like recently I went for a college tour to Agra. We started early in the morning at 6 o'clock. We went by a bus. We were 30 students in the tour. 5 teachers were also there with us. We reached at Agra 10 o'clock. Then we checked in the hotel and had breakfast. Then we moved to the Taj Mahal. You know Taj Mahal, it's a famous monument in Agra. So means then we moved to the Taj Mahal. After reaching there, we enjoyed the beauty of the Taj Mahal. We took photographs. We took pics there in the surrounding area. We enjoyed a lot with our friends. We saw each and every part of the Taj Mahal. Then we came back to our hotel for lunch. This way, you see that it's very easy to express. What you have to take care is just to the structure of the sentence, how to frame, how to work. Because as soon as somebody is expressing the things in second form of verb, it seems or it is clarified. That means he or she is talking about past actions. So today we have learned how to talk about past events, past actions. And in my coming videos I am going to tell you how to speak in future sentences, future tense, how to speak about the different means continuous tense, perfect tense. We'll talk about a lot in our coming videos. So now, well friends, I think today the point is clear to you and you have to do practice. Don't forget to practice at home to make such kind of sentences. Take a piece of paper, make different kind of sentences of past events which has been happened, which you have experienced. Write down and just carry on speaking, keep on practicing on the different kind of sentences. With these words, I am taking it to you. Thank you.